This pup is doing a biathlon. He starts with a marathon and ended up swimming. Looks like he sure picked a girl who's all about that single life. An ice bath not only cools the body, but also calms the tempo. This chocolate chunk is about to melt from the hot temp. Someone needs to buy a comfier chair for this chubby kitty. This band is having an outdoor showcase, and they've got one very enthusiastic backup singer. Who says Pitbull?
Tess, staring down the big cat on the bed like it has a shoulder.